Sanwo Olu must not be re-elected for second tenure as Lagos State Governor. And here are my reasons.
I spoke personally with the governor on this because the Nigerian army was not happy about two things. The first, his denial that he asked us to intervene.
The man who supervised the killing of the youths by inviting the military when they were having a peaceful protest. Many were massacred in cold blood. He ended up paying what is called, whatever he termed it, to alleviate their suffering, but he denied their massacre. A panel was set up. The panel indicted his men and the government. That panel report was swept under the table. Nothing happened afterwards. Sanwo Olu is a product of godfatherism in Lagos State, whereby a single man over 2 decades has supervised who becomes what in governor, as if Lagos State is his own birthright. Anybody who supports the re-election of Sanwo Olu is a slave and not a free man. Will you continue this perpetuity, or will you support freedom? I don't care if it is the Labour Party candidate or PDP, the Accord, the ADP, anybody but Sanwo Olu. Election period is a time to hold our leaders accountable. The youth, are we going to allow this to continue or hold our leaders accountable? Or this last minute lip service of visiting churches, mosques, funeral homes, parties, sick people, hospitals? A man who evaded debate among his peers to tell Lagos or Lagosians what he has done for him to merit re-election. I'm only asking, is the election period a time for the jamboree to continue, or a time to hold our leaders accountable? Or do we allow them to continue dividing us along ethnic or religious lines? Open Whispers is saying, be well, do good work, and please keep in touch. See something, say something, and do something. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Until we meet again in the arena. This is Chris Digos. Cheers.